Hidden in the historic heart of Pune's Kasba Pet, Tambat Ali is a world where fire, metal, and skilled hands create magic. For over 300 years, the rhythmic clang of hammers on copper has echoed through its narrow lanes, shaping not just objects but history itself. These master coppersmiths once forged weapons and armor for Maratha kings.
शिवाजी महाराजों ने हमको उनके तलवार, ढाल, तोफे के गोले और वो अंदर के अंगरक्षक बनाने का जो काम है वो उन्होंने हमको दिया.
Their craftsmanship adorning temples, royal courts and households. But why is this ancient craft fading?
अभी कोई हमारे बच्चे लोग कोई काम करने वाले नहीं है, कोई नहीं. अभी बहुत कारखाना था इधर, सब बंद हो गए. ये बंद हो गए, 3-4 कारखाने बंद हो गए.
Is it the rising expense of copper, the decline in skilled artisans, or has the new generation turned away, seeking easier livelihoods over this time-honored tradition? Will Tambat Ali survive, or will it be lost forever? Pune, a city rich in history and culture, is home to some of India's most iconic landmarks and traditions. Among its many treasures is Tambat Ali, located in the historic Kasba Pet area of Maharashtra. As one of Pune's oldest neighborhoods, this area holds a special place in the city's heritage. The copperware crafted by the coppersmiths of Tambat Ali are not only artistic but also beneficial for health. Copper is known for its antimicrobial properties, which help purify water and eliminate bacteria. Ayurveda also highlights its ability to aid digestion, boost immunity, and balance the body's energy.
जब एल्युमिनियम बर्तन में आप खाएंगे तो आपको बहुत बीमारी हो सकती है, लेकिन तांबा और पीतल और लोखंड के अंदर का खाना खाया आदमी तंदुरुस्त रहता है.
These functional and health-promoting qualities make their copperware a perfect blend of tradition and wellness. Despite the health benefits of copperware, these artisans face significant challenges.
अभी जब काम होता है तो तब हाथ में दर्द रहता है, थोड़ा सा ये पिछले मान में दर्द रहता है, पीठ में दर्द रहता है, कमर में दर्द रहता है. वो क्या है, काम हमको ऐसे झुकना काम करना पड़ता है. अब जब हम उसको बैलेंसिंग रखते हैं तो वो पाँव भी कभी कभी दुखते हैं हमारे.
Coppersmiths face health risks from hard work, heat, dust, and fumes, but their strong will keeps the craft alive. Their determination makes them true heroes of tradition.
हम जो काम करते हैं ना, वो हम दिल से काम करते हैं. हम जब बर्तन बनाते हैं ना, वो जो सामने वाले खरीदने वालों को वो अच्छा मांगता है, क्या अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा बना है, उसकी कारीगरी का काम बहुत अच्छा है, वो दिल से लेते हो. तो वो जो एक्सपीरियंस हमको मिलता है ना बोलने का, वो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Despite the challenges, artisans at Tambat Ali carry on their craft. Let's take a closer look at how this tradition comes to life. It all begins with high-quality copper sheets. Artisans carefully mark the desired shapes and sizes, then cut the sheets by hand using metal shears. This step lays the foundation for the creation of everything from pots and pans to intricate decorative pieces. Next, the cut copper sheet is mounted on a lathe machine. As the metal spins, skilled craftsmen use specialized tools and dies to shape it into the desired form. Whether it's a curved pot or a cylindrical container, the lathe ensures precision and uniformity, transforming raw sheets into recognizable shapes. Once shaped, the copper undergoes a high-temperature firing process. This not only strengthens the metal but also makes it more durable.
वो बर्तन को हम भट्टी में गर्म करते हैं और भट्टी में गर्म करने के बाद उसको हम पॉलिश करते हैं. उसको सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड लगाते हैं और सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड लगाने के बाद उसको चिंच लगाता है इमली। वो इमली लगाने का कारण क्या है कि सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड का जो वो इफेक्ट ये बर्तन के ऊपर नहीं होता, इसलिए हम इमली लगाते हैं।
This firing and cleaning process is repeated after every major step, ensuring the copper remains pure and robust. Now comes the artistry. The shaped copper is placed on a solid surface, and artisans use a specialized hammer called the matar to create intricate textures and patterns.
बाद में उसको शेप दे के वापिस उसको मटार काम किया जाता है और बर्तन पूरा हो जाता है।
Each strike of the hammer not only adds beauty but also strengthens the copper, making it both functional and visually stunning. After hammering, the copperware is carefully cleaned by hand to remove any dirt or residues. The pieces are then left to dry naturally under the sun, giving them a polished, natural finish. Some items are buffed to a brilliant shine, while others retain a rustic, handcrafted look. After production, artisans should sell Tambat Ali's handcrafted copper items by participating in local markets, craft fairs, and setting up stalls in tourist-heavy areas. This will connect them with buyers who value handmade, traditional craftsmanship and expand their reach. The origins of Tambat Ali date back to the 17th century during the time of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. As the Maratha Empire expanded, skilled coppersmiths were invited to Pune from Konkan and other regions of Maharashtra to craft weapons, armor, and utensils for the armies.
खाना पकाने के लिए बड़े बड़े जो बर्तन आते हैं वो बड़े बड़े बर्तन बनाने का हमको काम मिला। शिवाजी महाराजों के काम दिया और पेशवे जो बाजीराव पेशवे जो पूर्वज थे वो हमारे पूर्वज उनका काम करते थे पहले, इसलिए तांबट अली को नाम तांबट पड़ गया।
Under the Peshwa rulers, Tambat Ali flourished, with artisans creating intricate copper temple domes, religious artifacts, and household items. Copperware became a symbol of prosperity and was deeply integrated into Hindu rituals and daily life, firmly establishing the Tambat legacy as master craftsmen in Pune's history. Their migration to Pune marked the beginning of a thriving community that continues to uphold this centuries-old craft. Over time, this craftsmanship extended beyond weaponry and temple architecture to everyday household items.
इधर तांबट अली में सब हैंडवर्क से काम करते हैं और जो पुराने बर्तन हैं, तपेली है, घाघर है, कलसी है, कंगाड़ा है, पवाला है और एंटीक पीस हम बनाते हैं, ये सब चीज़ें इधर बनाई जाती है।
Today, the pricing of these copperware items varies widely based on size, design, and craftsmanship. Smaller pieces, such as cups and spoons, typically range from 500 to 1000 rupees, making them more affordable and accessible. In contrast, larger and more detailed creations like hammered pots or decorative sculptures are priced between 5,000 and 50,000 rupees or more. Despite its rich heritage and craftsmanship, this traditional art is struggling to survive due to a combination of difficulties. Rising raw material costs, a decline in skilled artisans, and intense competition from mass-produced, cheaper alternatives are major concerns.
पहले 200 कारखाने थे, अभी उसका कॉस्टिंग बढ़ गया तांबे का और वो बाज़ार में कम बेचने लगा। उस तरह से कारखाने कम होते गए, अभी 25 कारखाने हैं।
Adding to these problems is the lack of interest among the younger generation, who often prefer modern careers and see traditional crafts as outdated or not financially rewarding.
हम बच्चों को बोले कि तुम ये तांबट काम सीखने को आओ, तो वो क्या है कि उसको मेहनतनामा बहुत कम मिलता है। अगर किसी भी कंपनी में बच्चों लोग काम करने को गए तो उनको एक साल के लिए 5-6 लाख रुपए का पगार मिलता है। अब पगार मिलने के बाद काम कितना रहता है, वो 5-8 घंटे तक काम रहता है, इसलिए बच्चे लोग यहाँ से आने को मना कर रहे हैं।
This has resulted in fewer people learning and practicing the craft, putting its future at risk. Moreover, The availability of low-cost labor in other regions or industries makes it harder for traditional artisans to compete, as their handmade products often cannot match the lower prices of factory-made goods. Despite these challenges, efforts like skill development programs, artisan support initiatives, and increased market awareness campaigns are working to protect and sustain the craft. These programs aim to attract younger individuals by highlighting the cultural value and potential economic benefits of the craft, while also addressing issues like fair wages and market access. Through these actions, they hope to keep the legacy of Thambat Ali alive for future generations. A word from our sponsors.
The Pretty Collection by Abharan, starting at just Rs 25,000, has pieces that are meticulously crafted, combining sophistication with unmatched comfort. Every design is thoughtfully created to feel light and look luxurious, making it ideal for both special occasions and everyday wear. These pieces are limited edition, so don't let them slip away. Shop now to find your perfect match before it's gone forever.
A special thanks to Abharan Jewelers for sponsoring this film and supporting our efforts to share stories like these. We truly appreciate their generosity and belief in our work. You can explore their exquisite jewelry collection by visiting their website at abharan.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next episode.